YouTube just revealed how creators are rewriting entertainment after 20 years. YouTube recently dropped its 20-year culture and trends report, and it's basically the creator's playbook for 2025. This isn't just a milestone for the platform, it's a signal for every creator to level up. Are you ready for what's next? In this video, I'm unpacking the 5 biggest insights and sharing what they mean for your channel's future. Every single day, people watch content on YouTube for a total of over 1 billion hours. But what does that mean for creators like you? It's not just a platform anymore. It's where TV meets daily life. And understanding this shift is key to your growth. Insight number 1, TV first viewership. Today, YouTube has billions of monthly viewers who collectively watch over 1 billion hours of video each day. This is evident in more people watching YouTube on TV, its rise as a podcast platform, and the renewed popularity of short-form content on the platform that started with it. Think about it. YouTube has officially replaced traditional TV for millions of households. People are tuning in on their 60-inch screens to binge creator content like it's Netflix. We're also seeing YouTube rise as a podcast platform and the home of short-form trends, both shaping how creators connect with audiences. To future-proof your channel, think TV first, longer episodes, tighter storytelling, and playlists that keep viewers watching for hours. Ask yourself, would this video feel natural to watch with friends or family on a big screen? That's where the growth is happening. But here's the bigger picture. YouTube's dominance isn't just about replacing TV. It's everywhere, woven into people's daily routines. That huge watch time isn't only about binge-worthy episodes. It's about YouTube becoming the soundtrack, the teacher, and the companion to everyday life. Insight number 2. YouTube as part of daily life. That staggering figure underscores YouTube's deep role in people's everyday lives. A massive portion of the global population uses it for entertainment, information, and even ambiance daily. At this scale, YouTube isn't just shaping entertainment, it's defining it. Think about it. Someone kicks off the morning with a 5-minute yoga flow, listens to a lo-fi stream while working, then later pulls up a 15-minute dinner recipe tutorial before winding down with a podcast. That's the new normal. YouTube is the background, the instructor, and the entertainment. Cooking channels, ambient music streams, and educational podcasts all reflect this shift. As a creator, you can own these moments by creating content that fits naturally into someone's routine. Whether it's quick tips, relaxing ambient videos, or daily vlogs, your goal should be to become a habit, not just a one-off click. And while being part of someone's daily life builds familiarity, it's your ability to co-create with your audience that builds loyalty and transforms viewers into superfans. Insight number 3, creator community culture. Creators and their audiences create and consume content in conversation with one another, forming a kind of cultural symbiosis that shapes what's seen and shared on the platform. We're in the era of co-creation. Your audience doesn't just watch, they want to help shape what you create. Use polls, respond to comments with quick video replies, and host live streams. These aren't just small tweaks, they're trust-building moments. When viewers feel involved, they become loyal superfans who promote your work. Look at creators like Marquez Brownlee, MKBHD, who involve their audience with Q&As and polls to choose their topic. This kind of interaction keeps fans invested and coming back. And while your community is where loyalty grows, AI tools are unlocking new ways to reach audiences far beyond your language or your region. Insight number 4, AI and global reach. Today, YouTube operates in more than 100 countries and 80 languages, fostering a global media diversity that enables people from all parts of the world to join the platform and grow their audiences. YouTube is already global, but AI is breaking down language barriers like never before. With just a few clicks, your content can reach audiences in different countries, without re-recording a single word. AI-powered translations, subtitles, and dubbing, including YouTube's own auto-dubbing feature, make it possible to expand globally with ease. Even smaller creators can activate these tools and start planting seeds for international growth. For example, creators are using platforms like HeyGen or Dubverse to auto-dub their content into multiple languages, making their videos accessible to entirely new audiences. If global reach is your goal, now is the moment to embrace these tools. AI is the great enabler that can give your content a global voice. And while AI can open global doors, another major trend proves that YouTube isn't just a creative platform, it's an economic powerhouse. Insight number 5, monetization momentum. YouTube's introduction of the partner program in 2007, which paid out more than $70 billion from 2021 to 2023 alone, turned what was once a hobby for enthusiasts into a legitimate career path. $70 billion over just under 3 years? That's not just ad money, that's proof that the creator economy is thriving. YouTube's partner program now supports over 3 million channels, with thousands of creators earning a living wage from the platform. But even if you're not monetized yet, you can start building your revenue foundation today. Think off-platform, create a free guide, build an email list, or collaborate with brands on small partnerships. AdSense is the big goal once you qualify, but you can start with smaller income streams, digital downloads, affiliate links, or simple collaborations. Even the small creator can plant these seeds now. YouTube is your hub, and your income streams are the spokes of a wheel. If nearly $70 billion went out to creators in less than 3 years, imagine where you could be in the next 3 years if you start now. From TV-first strategies to AI-powered dubbing, these 5 insights, pulled straight from YouTube's 20-year Culture and Trends report, show exactly where the platform is heading. Which one will you test first? Drop it in the comments below. And if you're ready to take your channel seriously in 2025, hit subscribe. I've got more strategies coming your way. Watch the next video in my YouTube strategy playlist to keep building momentum.